Canoeing. See, now she's scared. See, now that she saw water, she's scared.
You'll be fine, Mocha.
Ari's so worried you're taking on water.
We can't move. Yeah, we can. What's your name? Okay, all right, stop.
You got enough? Your paddles behind you, baby. All right.
Oh, wait, you have to do it. Okay, we'll walk. Obviously. Which way are you going? We're gonna go. Which way do we want to go? I don't think so. Think what? Any water? Where do we want to go?
Honey, I'd go this way.
That way? Yeah. Because the stream is going this way.
You guys are doing good.
Oh,
Wave at me, ladies. Oh, come on. Children around.
Hello, mateys. Welcome to my sailing adventure. we're on a canoe, and we're at some like park in Melbourne, and we're canoeing. So that was some water. I cannot show like the cutest of angles, but this is the best angle. Yeah, we're kind of beached. It's a bit windy. It's really windy, and the wind is going against us, and we need to turn around and go back to where we came. So we're turning this way. Okay. This is so fun. I wish I could show like me as I'm going, but come on, do the work. Do the work. We got our dog. Look at how cool it is. I can't do this one-handed. I can't. Oh my god. Yeah, because we're kind of going the completely wrong direction. Okay, all right. We're going to turn so I'm in the front, remember? Because we're going that way. If I'm not in control, Ari doesn't know what she's doing.
In the ducky, I knew what I was doing.
Ducky?
Oh, there's a little picture with the shark.
Where?
It was over there.
What?
Yeah. I think this one is it.
How do you know it's a little kid and not a...
And not an actual shark?
Yeah, what if it's an actual shark?
Because I'm saying that it's not.
Okay. She said she saw a little kid wearing a shark fin.
Well, I just saw the fin.
Well, she saw a fin. But you just said you saw him go back under. So the fin disappeared. Oh my god. We don't even have to paddle as much because we're going with the wind. See, I'm doing all the work. She's worrying about the damn dog. The dog's fine. I've taken her paddleboarding. I have also somehow lost one of my mics. I don't even know how. We're chilling. We don't have to go fast, Ari. Like we're like okay. So then let's go to the other side. No boat. Let's cross. Oh, unless they're going to the other side. No, we're good. Wow. We can kind of like chillax in the middle. Yeah, there's just someone laying down. I guess I have just given up. See, we're chilling. We don't even have to do much. Just let the wind take us. Wow. All right, you're not even taking. You're taking us towards the bushes, the mangroves. Well, we don't have to paddle much. We're going with the wind. Wow, how calming. Wow. Wow. And now we're going into bushes. Oh, shit.
But we gotta realize that we're right before the bridge.
Yeah, I know. All right. You're like making us stop. So bad. You can see the water if I move if we move down enough. Look, we're chilling right now. All right, get in the camera on the right side. On the right side. Ow, my finger. Mocha, come here, Mocha. Mocha, want to go in for a swim?
No, he doesn't. Is he?
Oh, Mocha, come here.
See,
Got the dog. Except she doesn't have her life vest on. Yeah, sail dog. Yeah. See, she's chilling. Now we just kind of stop. There's like no wind. Chilling. Go, Mocha. I'm gonna put her in the water.
oh my god, you didn't have to put her in the water. She's in the water.
Mocha. Mocha. Mocha, come here. Mocha knows how to swim.
I will flip this boat.
No, Ari. Don't flip the boat. Mocha's having fun.
As we're drifting off the...
It's okay, Mocha's got us.
As you can see here, I have a fully customized truck bed drawer system that I made a full kitchen in with a pantry, all my utensils, spice rack, and plenty of room to do what I need to do. Normally I cook on the camping stove with the 2 burners over a square skillet, usually for all my meats and eggs. It serves a great purpose. But for this trip, I brought the Ignick Firecan that I just purchased. I really got tired of purchasing wood, hauling wood, gathering wood. This is a lot more sustainable and it's multi-purpose. I call this style of cooking grandma cooking because I get to sit down, relax, and still prepare the meal. Tonight I'm making shrimp fajitas that came out perfect.
No.
I'm using a Jim Beam cast iron wok that I purchased from Amazon for less than $30.
It's a really good knife, Daddy. It's just fun. It's nice. to set up your lights? Alright. I'm gonna grab a beer and I'm gonna grab the dog from you so you can take a chill pill. Okay? Do you have any more lime juice? I only have that. Daddy?
So as you can see, the Ignick Firecan serves as a burner for cooking, and when we're done with that, it's a portable fireplace. It only comes with a 5 psi regulator, which some people complain about because it doesn't get high enough flames. But it's perfect for me. I don't need anything crazy. And you could always replace the regulator for something bigger.
What you doing over there, Ari?
I definitely don't have this turned up all the way. It does get a lot bigger flames, but we have a nice quaint little fire, kept the bugs away, didn't need wood, didn't have smoke, didn't have a crazy smell. Later on that night it started raining, and we were able to just move the Ignick Firecan right under the canopy that we were under. I did put about 10 to 15 medium and large size rocks inside the Firecan, which gave it a much more natural flame appearance and dispersed the flame a little bit better when I was cooking with the wok. The rocks were volcanic fire rock and held the heat longer also.
Yeah. You knew what I meant, didn't you?
The Firecan really enhanced our experience this night because we were able to move it around as needed, dial it up or down as needed, didn't have smoke in our faces, and we could all comfortably sit around a very cozy, quaint fire. Even the dog was happier with this setup than a wood fire pit.
It's not a notification. You used to say.
The Outdoor Adventure Channel is supported by American Custom Marine Electronics for all your navigation, communication, security, and audiovisual needs.